we're going to close out with Sowore real quickly. A lot of our viewers have sent in questions earlier. They're still asking this question. Some of them are saying, is freedom fighting retrogressive? Can freedom fighting be retrogressive? So some of them, one of the reasons they're asking this, there's a gentleman in Nigeria that's just been arrested in Nigeria. They call him Ijele Speaks. Ijele had been a very terrible person when it comes to Mazị Nnamdị Kanụ. He's been on Nnamdi Kanụ's tongue. He's made he doesn't even hide it. He said he wants Nnamdi Kanụ to die in DSS custody. He wants him to die there, right? And then people see Sowore as Nnamdi Kanụ's bestie. Sowore, part of the reason he got in trouble with the crazy Nigerian DSS was Nnamdi Kanụ. His relationship, they're friends, they met here in New York, and he fights for him. He goes to court all the time for him. Mm-hmm. Whether they let him in or not, if they don't let him, he sets up his own court outside. That's Sowore for you. So, but Ijele had just been, he's an influencer, he's been picked up in Nigeria by the government. Somebody, they said, Reverend Bukobi, petitioned against him because he said he was threatening to kill him. So, the Easterners are kind of confused because Sowore now said, let Ijele go. Now, but me, I know Sowore, I know, but I want you to tell the people, can freedom fighting be retrogressive in the way that someone that wants Nnamdi Kanụ to die and you're fighting to have him released? Can you clarify that dichotomy? Let the people know what time is it? What time it is, rather?
When Nelson Mandela came to the U.S. for the first time, he was asked a similar question. Yes, about Cuba. Most Americans believe that Cuba is an axis of their own evil empire. And they asked him, and he said, well, what you should know is that you cannot choose for me my friends, and also choose for me your enemies. My position on human rights doesn't have boundaries. If my enemy's rights are violated, I'll fight for his rights. And if my friend's rights are violated, I fight with equal ferocity. My target is injustice. And that injustice works in very interesting ways. And on justice time, we go after your enemies, so that when they come after your friend, there will be nobody to fight for your friends. And a lot of people don't understand it. The way I understand it is a culture of impunity that has its own psychological ways of corralling even people who are thinking sometimes to be unthinking. So if somebody goes to the jailer's house to abduct him because the Reverend Father wrote a petition against him, and it takes him to court and violates the due processes, and I keep silent, the day they come for you, I will not be able to say the word. So we're not just people who are there for influencers. We are people who have outstanding character. And what character means is that we are consistent at all times, whether the person is a Jew or a Gentile. You have a default position about justice. So that's what I would respond to those who might be confused about my position. Well, my last word is looking directly now to Tinubu and said, let Nnamdi Kanụ go. That's it. You have no option. You have to let it go.
Thank you very much. When I don't hear him, so the fact that Sowore is fighting the process by which Ijele is being held does not mean that he himself supports Ijele when Ijele says Nnamdi Kanụ should die, correct?
I know a lot of people who feel terrible about me because I stand up for Nnamdi Kanụ. They'll kill me because I go to court. And they try to do that. I've met Ijele himself in the courts, in the court premises, campaigning against Nnamdi Kanụ. So, exactly. And I confronted him right there. That clip probably grossed the highest number of views. I think we had 25,000 views when I was confronting him. So even Nnamdi Kanụ today, if he came out, he will fight for a jelly.
Absolutely.
He will fight for every Igbo man. Like I said, whether the Igbo man is a Jew or Gentile. Because that's what leadership is all about.
Right.
The fact that the jailer says he wants Kanụ to die in prison will not kill Kanụ. The people we should worry about are not the jailers of this world. It's the Nigerian authority who wants to exterminate everybody. It's there was a part of me that is a conspiracy theory that I think actually the Nigerian government wants to heighten his profile by doing this to him. Otherwise, what does the jailer do? The jailer himself had seen me before, physically insulted me and said, "You are part of the people destroying Nigeria because you are from Nnamdi Kanụ." What does that do to me? Nothing. Water off my back. And I'm sure that if Nnamdi Kanụ comes out today, you'll be surprised at who his enemies are. They might even be insiders within the family. So, and will he embrace all of them? Of course, as a leader, he will embrace all of them when he comes out. That's how leaders behave. Because if you don't show character, how can you lead? If Kanụ comes tomorrow and says, "Oh, all the people that did not support me, I'm not going to be fighting for them," he will probably not have the support of half of the entire.
I can't resist interjecting.
Okay.
When Buhari came to the U.S. Peace Council,
yeah.
when he was president, he said, "I support all the people who voted for me."
Yeah,
He said, he made it clear.
Yeah.
You didn't vote for him.
Yeah,
You know
and
what
what
he
was
said?
the response of everybody? They condemned him.
Yeah.
He said, "Is it the 5% people?"
Yeah.
You know, but today, where's the Buhari?
Yeah.
He's back to his
5% is like
150 cows. A man of ignominy.
Yes.
Who is-
Thank you very much. And we've come to the end of this. I would like to do something different. Ceremonially, I would like us to, the panelists, I want us to hold our hands together in solidarity with Nnamdi Kanụ. So together we are holding this and we are asking that the authorities in Nigeria release our brother
Immediately.
with no options, immediately.
Unconditionally.
You don't talk am before, say Tinubu release
Let
Kanụ.
my people go.
Let my people go.
Oh, yes.
So Reverend, I know you don't talk there today.
We continue to fight
Yeah.
till he's out.
All right. God bless you.
And he will be the fifth hand on this next time.
I like that. Thank you very much.
We4We Media Pinnacle Entertainment. Nderema. More fire. Fuka fuka fuka.